In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Venmo account. So how can we get a Venmo account? Of course, you will need, first of all, to download the Venmo app. So if you have an iPhone, Samsung, I don't know what other phones are there, just go to your store, whether it's Play Store, App Store, Xiaomi Store, whatever store you have, just go to it, type Venmo, and you'll find the app right there and just download it. Then you will have to go and create a Venmo account. Of course, you'll need to open the app and sign up for a new account. To do so, you will be required to have a US number. If you don't have that, you will not be able to create your Venmo account. Of course, you will have to verify that phone number and email address as well that you will enter. So you'll have to enter your phone number once you click on create an account and click on send a code, and they will send you a code. You'll have to enter that code right here, and you should be good to go. Once you confirmed your email and phone number, you're probably good to go. You already have your account. Now you can start linking some payments method like your credit card, debit card, bank account as an example, and you can start transferring money between your bank account and Venmo if you wanna like fund your Venmo or something like that. As you can see, you can add your bank or card like here, like bank and cards. We charge like 3% fees for sending money with credit card. We don't charge for purchases or any debit card payments. And Amex Send account as well, you can link that as well. And that's going to be the interface of Venmo, as you can see. So your wallet, you can pay requests, you can buy crypto, you can request like a physical card, virtual card as well. I guess it even comes by default. I'm not very sure. And you can even start adding some friends on contacts. You can add them by their username, by their phone number, email, or even by their QR code that they can send you. And yeah, you can start using Venmo for free. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.